It's more than fabric. It's movement. It's memory. It's the rhythm of culture woven into 6 yards of art, the saree. The saree's story begins over 5,000 years ago, in the Indus Valley civilization. Archaeologists discovered statues showing draped garments, the ancestors of today's saree. Back then, cotton was the pride of India, hand-woven and colored with natural dyes like indigo and turmeric. During the Vedic age, men and women both wore unstitched fabrics, a sign of purity. Their attire was made up of 3 parts, the anturiya for the lower body, the stanapada as a chestband, and the uttariya, a graceful veil worn over the head or shoulders. Centuries later, the Mughal Empire brought elegance and opulence, silks, brocades, and floral patterns that remain icons today. Under British rule, the saree adapted again, gaining the blouse and petticoat. A perfect blend of tradition and modern modesty was born. Different regions, different wraps, from the Bengali style to the Maharashtrian drape. But the most popular, the Nivi style from Andhra Pradesh, became the global face of the saree, with its neat pleats and elegant pallu over the shoulder. After independence, the saree became a symbol of national pride. Leaders like Indira Gandhi wore it as a mark of identity. And when Pakistani singer Iqbal Bano defied a military ban by performing in a black saree, it became a symbol of resistance, courage, and womanhood. Today, the saree continues to evolve, from red carpet saree gowns to casual cotton wraps. It's a bridge between tradition and trend, reminding us that true style never goes out of fashion. The saree tells a story, of women, of art, of timeless grace. It's not just worn, it's lived. From ancient threads to modern hearts, the saree remains the fabric of forever.